In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel file to PDF. Converting your spreadsheet to a PDF is a great way to share a clean, read-only version that preserves your layout, fonts, and totals exactly as you see them on screen. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can do it confidently every time. First, open your Excel workbook and make sure the content looks the way you want it to appear in the final document. If your spreadsheet is wide or has multiple pages, a quick check in Page Layout view can help you spot any columns that may spill onto extra pages. When you're ready, go to the File menu at the top left of Excel. From the File menu, choose Save As. This tells Excel you want to create a new copy of the file in a different format without changing your original spreadsheet. If you're working from a cloud location, you might also see Save a Copy. Either option is fine as long as you'll be able to choose the file type. Next, click Browse. This opens the file picker so you can control where the PDF will be saved. Pick a location that makes sense for you, such as your project folder or desktop, so it's easy to find later. Select the folder where you want the PDF to go. While you're here, it's a good idea to give the file a clear name that describes what's inside, like including the date or version, so it's immediately recognizable when you share it. Now change the file type to PDF. In the Save as Type or File Format dropdown, choose PDF. This tells Excel to export a fixed layout version of your workbook. If you see options like Standard for high quality or Minimum Size for smaller files, pick the one that fits your needs. Some versions of Excel also show an Options button. That's where you can fine-tune what gets included, such as exporting just the active sheet or the entire workbook, setting a page range, or fitting the content to one page wide for cleaner printing. Finally, click Save. Excel will generate the PDF and place it in the folder you selected. Open the PDF to confirm everything looks correct. If a column is cut off or an extra sheet appears, you can go back, adjust your page settings or options, and save again. Remember, by default, Excel often exports only the active sheet, so choose the entire workbook if you want multiple sheets in one PDF. That's it. You now have a professional, shareable PDF, and your original Excel file stays editable for future updates.